Okay, welcome back, guys. I'm Richard Beck with Beck's Armory, and we are going to make detail number 4. So I've discovered from the other videos the key here is to just not move the paper once I get it in the screen. So hopefully, I got a little shadow there. That's the important part right there, the table. Alright, so we're going to make this. This is an easy one. Should be a quick video. I'm not going to do the champers on video. That's as simple as, yeah, you can figure that out. So once again, thanks for watching. If you know anybody who's building a 2x72 belt grinder, please share this video or the playlist with them. If you would like to download your own copy of these prints, you can print them off. When this project is all over, I'm going to put a copy of these on the website for 99 cents, and you can download the entire set for 99 cents. Or you can refer back to each one of these videos, and when I hold it up to the screen, you can just pause it. Either way works fine for me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later.